Hey guys, in this video I will show you the simplest N8N workflow AI agent that you can sell for $500 a month and beyond. There are honestly people who are selling solutions like this for $2,000, $3,000 and even more. It's crazy easy to implement, and that's why I'm going to teach you guys how to do this in this video. You can scale your AI agency only with this AI agent N8N workflow. It literally takes around 10 minutes to set up, and basically every business in the world that doesn't have this setup already needs it. And you will see in this video how it's helpful, why people need it, and how it can help customers. Finally, in the end, I will teach you how you can sell it, and I will tell you the websites you should be looking for. So tune into the end of the video. You will learn how to outreach and what you can use, how to use it, the strategy to go with this workflow so that you can start earning thousands of dollars a month by selling the most simple N8N AI agent. So let's go into the video. Hey guys, so again, thank you for tuning into this video. So we're going to explore again the most simple AI agent, simplest N8N workflow that you can use and sell for $500 a month and implement for businesses all around the world. So this is the AI agent. It's a website chatbot. And before you leave, I'm going to explain you why it's so good, why it's so simple to set up, and I will show you step by step how to do it. Now let's talk about it briefly before we go into the tutorial. So every website in the world is a static website that sort of is scrollable, right? But users have questions, and actually having chatbots where users can ask questions about data, about information, and more is very helpful, not only for customer support, but even beyond, for booking meetings for companies and for people. So when there is, for example, a real estate company and they want to get interested clients who want to buy homes, right? So what this chatbot can do is that people can say, can I buy a home? Can I book a meeting with your people, your sales agent? And this AI chatbot will book a meeting for them through the chatbot. And this is one of the best ways that actually increases revenue for companies and websites by 20 to 30%. And you can search this up. I can even do this for us. Website chatbots, right? And we will see that it will say to us that it increases by 10 to 100%, even 67% sales increase, right? 35%. So in overall, just having a freaking chatbot can make a company millions of dollars more, because if they're making 3 million and then 30% increase, it's $1 million in increase in sales. And the opportunities are endless for a sort of a system like that, meaning that you can implement it for any company, real estate, pet shop, barber, restaurant. Anyone would need a website chatbot. It increases sales, increases customer experience, customer support, availability, accessibility, you name it. So let's go into this system right now and how you can build it. So here it is. This is what I have built for our website at Frama. It's the AI agency we have. So what we want to do is we just set up an AI agent. We search on N8N, AI agent, boom. This is what we get. I'm going to set it up in front of you guys, duplicate what we have. And so what we would need, and another node here, is a chat trigger. And this is the whole thing. Okay, we already have a chat trigger, so when you click it, this one is going to open, right? And so we connect it. Now when you double click, you see the parameters, and I will have to delete this because now you see my parameters and you can access it. But this is this is very important because you will need this webhook to configure it to your website, right? So what you can do with this is that you can chat on N8N, but you can also connect it, and I will show you how in a bit. But first, let's configure the system. So you choose the model you want to use, OpenAI chat model, GPT-4 Mini. Mini is a very cost-effective model. You use Zep as memory. Why? Because Zep is the best memory tool in all N8N that basically lets you build a memory graph, an entire algorithmic brain on the data and remember what has been asked and remember the content and the responses and have memory, it will remember all the history as opposed to just having nothing there, which is just every one message is only what it remembers, right? So imagine there's a conversation without memory, there will be no ability for a conversation to take place because you say, hi, what's 2 plus 2? Or no, you say like, hi, I want to buy this property. And then you send that message and you send, how much does the property cost? And it will not remember what was sent. So that's why this node is amazing. And then lastly, the most important thing is our RAG model, because at the end of the day, we want to build a custom RAG model for the websites. And what is a RAG model? It's basically short for retrieval augmentation, if I'm not mistaken. It's basically an N8N or it's an LLM, large language model, that has custom data trained inside it, right? And so basically, I'm using a tool called WeTro Cloud. And WeTro Cloud is sort of a new startup. I met these guys on Twitter. They are very good. And it's a RAG model that lets you add content like websites, taking all the information, blogs, links, YouTube links, videos, files into their RAG model. So this search failed, but with the right name, it will be successful, hopefully. Yeah, so we found the website here, WeTro Cloud, right? So basically, within that, you can basically add any sort of information and you can connect to it through the HTTP node on N8N. So let's log in. I actually am logged in on another browser, but not on this one because this is Chrome. So once I log in, I will show you guys how it works. Yeah, so finally we're in here and this is how it looks. So you would have to add a new collection and then you go into your collection once it's created, and then you can add sources manually like this, add a web link, add a YouTube link, add a file. And once you add it, it will look like this in a list. And when you do that manually, that's the easy way. And then here on top, you have the website collection ID. So let's go back to the N8N workflow and explore how to build it in. So basically, you would have to, let's open this node to show you exactly how it looks. So you have a small sort of query to explain the AI agent on top here, what this sort of node is for. You have this link here. This is the link. You can go on the docs and try query collection. Go to the docs on WeTro Cloud, which you find back in the console. You press documentation. Oh, what? Why am I logged out? Okay, I'm logged out. Okay, it will be here, documentation. So you should be able to find the query collection and you follow, you just copy the curl, actually copy the entire curl, and you implement it. I will show you guys. Yeah, so it's this one, free text. You can, free text response provides natural conversation style answers to your queries. It's a deal for general Q&A, right? So this one we use. You just copy this and you go to your N8N workflow, and when you have a new sort of new HTTP request, what you do is that you import curl and you put it in here, and it will open exactly this system which you see here. You will get the link. You have to put in your API key, which I trust that you can find yourself, and you put the collection ID here. And then last thing, for the AI agent, you put this, you press this on that one, so you can define the text, the query, by the model itself. What will happen then? Because then this prompt, this AI agent will take that prompt and it will prompt that AI RAG agent, which has all the information about your company that you will be training with, right? Which, for example, in our case was my company, framastudio.com. Once you've done all of that, finally, you have a working AI agent. The last thing you do is you go to this website link here called npmjs.com/package/@n8n/chat, and you will find this code here. And here is your production webhook URL. So you copy this entire script and you include your webhook URL, which we showed you in the start there. And that's what you will do. And there are different codes codes here, so you will use the different codes for whatever is applicable for your website, but I just took the first one and I think it just worked straight away for my lovable website. Now I think you can try this and see what works for you. So basically, once you try that, you remember that you take this chat URL inside, embed it in, and boom, what you will be left with is what we see on my website right now in 3, 2, 1. Yes, so here, bottom right corner, boom, we have this chatbot system, which just took some time to load. Here is the type your question, hi. So I'm writing hi. So it will answer me. So I will ask him, I am a construction company. Can Frama help me? Right? So I've trained it on my data, and let's see how it responds. So it takes few seconds, but people have that time to scroll these beautiful visuals and see the website. And boom, there we got the message. Yes, Frama can help your construction company by providing tailored AI solutions to enhance project management, blah 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 blah. That's amazing. Okay, can I book a call? And so I'm asking him this because I will show you guys the last thing. So how do you get leads from this? Well, you have to define the call link to the agent. Boom, here is how to schedule a call. And the way I did it was that I actually had it in my prompt for the AI agent to book a call with me. Here is the link. And you just make your own prompt system message prompt that you have to just add as an option, because it's not a chat prompt, it's a system prompt for all chats. So that's it, guys. It was a energetic video for you with the simplest AI agent n8n workflow in the world. It's literally one step, or it's 2 steps. Just even after writing the prompt, it's just 1 step. It's just thinking, just AI agent. There is nothing else to it, and it's an amazing thing. So how can you position yourself and sell this, right? So you just freaking go to Google Maps, watch my last video on Google Maps scraping, find all these companies, even freaking build systems that detect if they have a chatbot or no, or do it manually, and freaking call these people, send them emails, and tell them you guys don't have a chatbot, you're losing out on revenue. 30% increase by having a chatbot. Such a simple thing. It just costs you guys $500 a month, and I'm sure it will lead in more clients. So that's what you should do. Call these different companies. And if you're all new to n8n, if you're all new to AI agency, AI automation, and you don't know where to start, I tell you, just start with this. This is like a battle-tested, proven use case, and this is the simplest way you can move forward. So I hope you like this video. Remember, in my school community, you will find a lot of workflows. We're aiming to build 100 business use case workflows there that you can sell for thousands of dollars. And this workflow here is so simple that I will not have it there. It's just going to be a freaking thing you should build yourself. No, I will even have that there too.